Hello boys and girls, I thought I'd do a quick video to show how the reg or rectifier regulator works. For those that don't know, each vehicle that has a 12 volt battery, when the engine is running, it needs to be producing voltage in excess of 12 volts. That means that you got enough power for your electrics and you got that extra power to charge the battery. What does the rectifier regulator do? The rectifier changes the voltage from that spinny thing, typically on the left hand side. It's AC voltage, converts it into DC voltage, what a battery uses. And the regulator keeps that voltage at the level it should be. When you're revving it, I'd say about 2,500, 3,000 revs, irrespective of vehicle, you should be getting about 14 volts. Anything below 13.3, and it's an accident waiting to happen, because as you turn your lights on, that will drop the voltage even more. And long story short, it has to be running properly. So how do we test if this charges? Well, we need one of these things. You can have a digital one. They're relatively inexpensive. You're looking at about, I don't know, anything between 10 and 30, 40, 50 bucks. You can go up. The more expensive it is, the better it becomes. But what we will do is we will put the setting to DC volts. I'll put a maximum of 50 because I know if it's 10 and I got a 12 volt battery, it will just max out. If it's 50, it should come over here. So what we'll be looking at, if you look there where the 10 is, the battery now has got 11, 12 and a bit volts. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to start the engine and let's just see what happens. Probes are connected. Engine is warm. I've had a water leak, so I'm mucking around in the garage. So let's try. Right, so the engine's running. No, that's not right. If the regulator was working properly, it would keep the voltage and it would go up as I'm revving, but instead of it going up, so in this particular case, the regulator rectifier is toast. I'll get one, swap it, happy days. Tune in, we'll see what happens after I change it. Thanks for watching, guys.